When you update your Kemper to the most recent operating system, you gain access to an incredibly helpful new tool, the USB recording. This turns your Kemper into a 4-in, 4-out audio interface, essentially eliminating the need for one of these devices and all the messy XLR routing that goes with it. Here's how I make the most out of using my Kemper stage as an audio interface. In my DAW, I select my profiler as both the input and output device. You can monitor your whole DAW seamlessly via your Kemper. Turning off direct monitoring in your DAW will help you avoid any potential latency issues. I then create 3 audio tracks in my DAW and visit the output section of my preferred rig in Rig Manager. In this USB recording section, the default outputs are set to master stereo. I'll leave 1 and 2 as master stereo, which will include my entire rig, compression through reverb. I'll call this reference. But I'll change 3 and 4 to DI/stack. This will allow me to create 2 mono tracks. On input 3, my guitar's dry signal, because producers and engineers typically want that DI to reamp your guitar down the road, and on input 4, we will capture my rig through my amp and cab, but exclude modulation and time-based effects. This allows me total control of applying, adjusting, and automating these effects directly in my DAW. Select all 3 tracks to record simultaneously, and voila!